our solar system. Asteroids are on the sun. Asteroids on its axis. This movement is called rotation. The rotation of that causes day and night. Earth rotates on its axis and also moves around the sun. This movement is called revolution. The revolution of Earth causes seasons.
Okay.
Globe and fast.
చేస్తాను ఓకే కంటిన్యూ ఓకే
Sit down. We are studying about solid limits.
Teacher, don't beat the students. You have to tell their lesson.
Now we are studying about globe and map. Globe. A globe is a small three-dimensional model of the Earth. It is difficult to carry. Map.
Map.
A map is a flat representation model of the Earth. It is handy and easy to carry. Now we are studying about latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes are imaginary lines that run parallel to the equator. The 0 degrees latitude is known as equator. Longitudes are imaginary lines that run from north to south. The 0 degrees longitude is known as prime meridian.
మాట్లాడుతున్నా వెళ్ళకూడదు తీసుకోకండి వెళ్ళిపోతే కామ్గా వెళ్ళిపోండి అంతే.
Now we are going to study about equinox. The word equinox is derived from Latin word. Equinox means equal days and equal nights. It occurs on 2 days in a year between summer and winter and other between winter and summer. 23rd September is known as autumnal equinox and 21st March is known as spring equinox. Solstice. Solstices are two. One is summer solstice and winter solstice. Summer solstice is the day when the daytime is longest in northern hemisphere. It occurs on 21st June every year. Winter solstice is the day when the daytime shortest along with Artesian sphere. It occurs on 22nd December every year.